If you're in your 20s, you're either building your future or silently destroying it. Let's be honest. Saving money in your 20s sucks. It feels boring, pointless, even impossible. You think, why save when I can barely make rent? Or worse, I'll start saving when I make more. But here's the harsh truth. Every dollar you don't save now is a dollar that'll cost you 10x later. And most people don't realize it until it's too late. In this video, I'm going to break down the 5 uncomfortable truths about saving money in your 20s that nobody talks about. They might sting, but they'll also set you free. So if you want to live rich, not just look rich, stay with me till the end, because truth number 5, that's the one that separates the wealthy from everyone else. Point 1. You're not too young to save, you're just delaying pain. Most people treat their 20s like a financial free trial. Spend now, figure it out later. But here's the truth. Every financial decision you make now compounds. And no, not just the good ones. You either suffer a little now or suffer a lot later. Skipping savings in your 20s is like skipping brushing your teeth. Sure, nothing hurts right now, but wait a few years, rot sets in. Still think future you will be richer and smarter? That guy still eats cereal for dinner. And it's not just that you're not saving, it's what you're doing instead. Point 2. Lifestyle creep is the silent killer. Let's say you get a raise. Most people don't save it, they upgrade. New phone, new car, weekend trips, because I deserve it. But here's the trap. As your income grows, your expectations grow faster. And suddenly, you're still broke, just at a higher level. More money won't fix your money problems, discipline will. Think of it this way. If you make $5,000 per month and save nothing, what happens when you make $10,000 per month? If you're not careful, you'll just be broke, with better shoes. But wait, what if I told you saving money isn't just about money at all? Point 3. Saving money builds confidence, not just wealth. Here's the part nobody tells you. Saving money makes you powerful. Why? Because it gives you options. When you have savings, you can quit a toxic job. You can walk away from a bad relationship. You can take a risk that might change your life. No savings, you're trapped. Every choice feels like survival. Money doesn't buy happiness, but it does buy freedom, and that's pretty close. Let's be real. If your emergency fund is just texting your mom, we have a problem. And if you think saving is too hard now, wait until this hits you. Point 4. Life gets more expensive fast. Right now you might only be paying for yourself, but in a few years, it's health insurance, kids, mortgage, aging parents. Oh, and did I mention inflation? The window where saving is easy? It's now, because every year you wait, more of your paycheck gets eaten by responsibilities. It's not just about saving money, it's about saving time. And time is your most valuable asset. But here's the part most people never understand, and it's why the rich get richer. Point 5. The first $10,000 you save is the hardest and most important. The first 10K feels like climbing Everest. You'll question every decision. You'll feel like it's going nowhere. But once you hit it, something changes. Your habits lock in. Your money starts working for you. You stop thinking, can I afford this? And start thinking, is this worth it? Saving money isn't about deprivation. It's about transformation. It's your first taste of leverage. It's not the amount, it's the identity shift. Want to feel richer instantly? Open your savings account and actually see money sitting there. But here's the kicker. Even if you save a little, if you don't understand how money grows, you're still leaving wealth on the table. You now know the harsh truths, but knowing isn't enough. You have to act, because the longer you wait, the steeper the price. And if you're wondering, okay, I'm saving, now what? Here's the real game changer: compounding. It's not just a concept, it's the difference between retiring rich or working forever. Tap here to watch. The power of compounding will change your life, but only if you start now. Trust me, your future self is already hoping you will.